Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my Premature evaluation series, my full review series. Feel it by the time you're watching this, it's more likely not going to be able to take advantage of. But I got this big 9 amp hour battery, and I got this charger and battery, which is like $100. I was gonna get the big battery anyway, and so this was a bonus. So, obviously the 4 amp hour battery is kind of bigger, and I've actually got another 4 amp battery that I got when I worked at Lowe's that someone tried to steal, that I got for not very much money with another charger, so that was pretty cool. But basically, this was a great deal with another battery for $100, and I'm kind of thinking maybe later down the road getting a CRAFTSMAN half-inch impact gun to keep in my truck if I have a flat tire, instead of using my DeWalt or anything else. But I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to go into the LC Delco line of impact guns that they sell, which you might also know as the Hazard from Earthquake line. So, going over this. Batteries, I've already said this before in other videos, I like how they look. I like these chargers, they're very nice in the hand. They got a little peg board back here that you could like hang it up, it's nice. But we should all be interested in is they've got these pre-made to run in the 12 volt line. And the 12 volt line, they have it in DeWalt and Mac. So I'm imagining CRAFTSMAN's gonna come out with some 12 volt tools, and I'm very curious to see what that's gonna be like. So, I mean, I'll let you know what I think of this battery charger, but I don't think you would have any problem going ahead and buying this. But this is a good deal for a battery and a charger, and I'm excited. Well, it's been Z66. I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good one. Goodbye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandma, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.